Well, here, my friends, is an engineered Bathouse. It's got aluminum flashing, black aluminum flashing on the outside, and it's got corrugated plastic on the inside. Now, this corrugated plastic is resistant to high acid environments such as bat urine, and so and you see it has channels to dissipate the urine, which would allow this to last for many, many years once it's established. It also has styrofoam insulation, and which will keep the bats nice and warm during the night. And you see, they can land on several layers. There's if they fly into here, then they can land on these scratchy places where it's opened up. Okay, and they can hook their little claws there. Okay, and over here and over there, so they have a choice of 3 different chambers in here. One's close to the back, one's in the middle, and one's closer to the front. Okay, whichever is most comfortable for them. And it's well secured with zip ties on the inside, and then I will be able to use some of these zip ties to secure it to a tree, a south-facing tree. I already have one in mind. Yeah, so hopefully it works, because a regular bat house, which is made of wood, will only last a few seasons, because the urine will swell up the plywood and then they won't be able to fit in there anymore. So this is kind of an engineered design that should be more long lasting. And I have a larger version of this, which has some success, but it only has like a few bats in it. So I figured this one should work even better, because it's a smaller space, and so they will be well insulated inside of there. And it's black on the outside, which will help it heat up in the daytime and channel that heat onto the inside. And it's got this kind of heat sink in here, and so they can crawl out and hang out. And anyways, only so much I can say about this. I'm planning on just tying it up with some rope. It's a little bit bigger at the top than the rest of it, so that should keep it well held. Alright, like and subscribe if you want more food foresting tips. And yeah, the reason this is a food foresting tip is because when you're growing permaculture, then you're going to have some tall grass and herbaceous things, and that's going to have mosquitoes, and these little brown bats are going to eat those mosquitoes right up. Okay, alright, love and light, y'all.